Hey guys, this is Quinn and Levi. Levi's the camera dude, and I am changing the processor in this Dell 745. This is a E6600 Core 2 Duo. Paid 28 bucks for it on Amazon, Levi did, and I'm doing an upgrade to his computer. Right now it has a Pentium D dual core 2.8 gigahertz in it. Don't know the model number, but we're going to be replacing it. We got some of this Antec Formula 6 stuff, never used it. I usually use Arctic Silver. This stuff is cheaper than Arctic Silver, so yeah. So first thing, where the screwdriver there is, okay. We're gonna remove all the cables from the heatsink area, so I have enough room. And then I'm going to remove the graphics card. There's a little. Set that to the side right over here. That was a 9800 graphics card, PNY. What was that?
CPU.
Yeah, we're gonna need that. Okay. We're gonna need some paper towels and stuff like that, so after I get the heatsink off, we're gonna take a little break and we're gonna grab the paper towels and alcohol and stuff like that. Okay, so I think it's stuck. Okay. Pretty sure I got it all the way off. Yeah, there we go. And it slides forward, I believe. I remember it did.
There's a screw right there, Glenn.
There we go. Okay. And then, okay, now we're gonna need some paper towels. Okay, guys. Now that we have the paper towels, I'm going to be wiping off the CPU so we can cleanly remove this. This is Arctic Silver on it right now. This is the last bit I had when I reseated his processor. So. Probably gonna sell this thing if, yeah, get the other one in there. Don't really need to clean that. Okay, okay, now we're gonna open up this processor. Pull out of its static bag. Try not to touch the pins when we try to get it out of the bag. Get my finger in there first though. Okay. Removing the CPU, Pentium D. And now we're taking the Core 2 Duo. The hell is that? It's absolutely the weirdest thing. We're having a little bit of technical difficulties here. We'll be right back. Okay. It looks like the previous owner had some heatsink compound on the contacts on the back of the CPU. And I was freaked out there for a second. Still don't know if it works or not. I'm glad they're not pins. They're just contacts. And the pins are on the socket, LGA 775. Okay, what we're gonna do, as you can see, there's one notch there, and there's one notch on the other side right there. You're gonna wanna align that up with the notches on the socket. So let me get my fingers positioned, and we'll just drop it right in there. Now, it's seated, and you set down the socket, and then you press down. Don't worry if it's putting pressure on it. That's a good thing. And you just push it and slide it underneath that hook right there. And now you have your CPU seated. And off camera, I'm going to be cleaning the compound off of the heatsink, and we'll be right back. Okay, now we have the old compound cleaned off the heatsink. We're going to set that there, and we are going to remove the compound from the thing. I'm not going to spread it with the spreader. Actually, maybe I should. I think I'm going to do that. I don't want to just like put it daub in the middle. I'm actually going to spread it this time. So remove the lid and remove this. And pick back up the compound. Okay. So I'm going to put some in the middle. Actually, I think since the owner of the CPU to begin with was not very clean and smart about it, I'm going to clean up the top of the processor like a smart person. So I'll put some alcohol on here. This is 92, 91%. You don't want anything below 91% because it will cause, if any is left on there, it might cause corrosion in there. This arrived when it was really cold outside, so hopefully there was no condensation that's inside the CPU. So make sure this is sparkling clean. As you can see, Intel Core 2 Duo E6600, and we're gonna.
Hold on.
Yeah, it's still drying a little bit.
I'm trying to get like a shot of where it says it.
You see it?
It's completely off focus.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, we're gonna put the compound right there in the middle.
Ew.
And then I'm gonna take the spreader that came with it. Make sure it's clean. Don't want to contaminize. Have it just like
Squish down.
Just set that down. Set some more in there. And then might be a crappy job of doing it, but still, there's the heatsink. Now we're gonna put the heatsink on. Just set it down like it came in, out of it. Okay, and then we'll slide it down. And make sure nothing's in the way of the screws. And seat it on top of the CPU. So this time we're actually going to put on some equal pressure. So I'm going to screw this one in until it actually gets in, and then I'm going to screw this side in until it's in. As you can see, I'm going to screw this side in so it puts even pressure down against the CPU. So it's healthier for it, and also it presses the compound against the CPU a little bit easier and more even. So alright, we have successfully installed a Core 2 Duo E6600 2.4 GHz processor into a Dell 745. And we are currently hooking everything back up to its normal state. Gonna drop the SATA cables down this way. And yeah. Oops, just go ahead and use this one since that's what it was used for originally. Okay, and then this right here, we don't really need. It's just there just in case it was a different video card. We just got this one not too long ago. Won it for 45 bucks off of eBay. Drop this down in there. Okay. And there we go. We have finished. We have installed the Intel Core 2 Duo 6600, sorry, 2.4 GHz into his 745. Okay. Yep. So yeah, we're gonna boot it up into Windows, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.